So hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're trying some more Gemini 2.5 Pro features. So let's ask it to generate an image. We're going to generate some videos as well if it let us. So generate an image of we'll try cat eating pizza. Got a few instructions combined. So it should hopefully figure out that we want an image of a cat and hopefully it's eating pizza. Is it going to do image generation tool? So it seems like that's what it wants to do, which is correct. We do want to do that. Refine image. That looks pretty good to me. Let's ask to make a pepperoni pizza. Image by making the pizza pepperoni. And let's submit that. Show thinking. Alter the original image generation to generate image with tool image editing. It does have a watermark on the image, which I'm not sure whether you can get rid of that if you pay for the more expensive one like it does below. It will remove the watermark if you pay for the full one apparently. So it says refine, but it didn't refine, it's generated an entirely new image. Just combined the prompt, that is definitely not the same cat. Or I thought maybe the image generator could do something specific and take this as the input and modify it by just modifying that section, but no, it's an entirely different cat. We're upscaling images. Upscale the image. What does it say? Image generation images, no parameters for upscaling, so we can't do that unfortunately. What about turning it into a video? A video with video? Let's see if we can do that, or whether we have to define a new prompt. Focusing video tool is likely the goal, which it is. Can't directly take videos. Nor do I plan. It says I can't do video. So let's try if we select generate image. Oh, it does say video 3. So let's try a new chat for that. Generate a video of a cat eating pizza. A cat eating pepperoni pizza. There we go. So it is video 3. Then something went wrong, I assume, because I did some of this yesterday. It's probably gone over the limit. So maybe we can't do that. So the good thing about it is video 3 now. So it was video 2 previously, but now for the generation it is now video 3, which is high quality videos as well as having audio to go along with them. So unfortunately I can't try some of this generation for the videos out, but that's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts on these videos and subscribe so you can see any videos like this in the future.